Okay. Uh, in this video, we will see events, events and emitter. What is emitter and what is events models? Okay. Uh, okay. I'm going to create one file called events.js. Okay. Right. Just clearing the console, clearing it. Sorry. Okay. Is it recording? Yes, recording. Fine. Hmm. Then just typing for checking the execution, is it working or not. Console.log of events. Okay, now I'm running the file e1.js. It's running. Okay, next we will start to write the code for events and events instance and its methods and what is emitter. All these things we will cover in this video. Okay, first I'm going to include the events modules. Const event emitter. Okay, equal to record of events. Then const custom. So we included the module events. Okay, right. Uh, just we will console the instance. Console this class. Hmm. Let's check it. What is okay on many events and its properties are here. Okay, now what I'm doing, just I'm clearing it. I'm going to create a instance for this class. Okay. Mm, right. Const, right, const, not cost, const custom emitter, custom emitter equal to new event emitter. Sorry, it will come automatically event emitter. Okay, right. Then next, uh, this instance have lot of methods like on and emit. Now we will use this on and emit. So we will know what is the use of emit using these two methods. Okay. Now custom emitter dot on of on of here what we are going to do is we will register an event. That's mean example we have a lot of events like click error, uh, mouse event, many events are there. Now I'm going to request also one of the event. Now I'm going to use response event. Response whenever this response event is triggering, emitting, that time some operation our defined operations will be, code will be executed. Okay, see now what I'm doing. I'm going to register one event with the emitter. That's mean we will give some set of codes for particular events with the on method. Okay, when we are emitting this, that's mean we triggering this response event. Whatever code inside this, that will get executed. Okay, see now, and I have given response. Then I am just giving one function called a function equal to arrow. Then here what I'm doing, console, sorry, I'm writing here. Okay, console dot log of some data, some data received. Okay, uh, now we have initialized an execution for response event when it gets triggered using the emit class. That time it will get the setup line will be executed and output will be visible. Okay, now what I'm doing, mm, emitting this. Okay, custom emitter dot emit, okay, emit of response. Which event we are going to emit? Response event. It means like triggering response. Okay, just I'm going to trigger the response. Let's check the output. So, I will clearly explain one more time. What is the console dot? Nothing is. It should get display. No, one second. Not even so. Right. Custom. Oh, actually spelling mistake. It's not event. Response is event. Okay. Right. I'm running it. Wait and see. Ah, got it. Now the some data is received. Using this on method, we will set some set of actions for every event. We can set more actions for this on method. Okay, on method, using on method for particular event. I'm going to, this is the second data received. I'm going to again set an method for event response. Okay, third also I'm going to, third data received. Okay, so now I'm going to run it. Now I have defined three set of actions for particular event. That event is response. Okay, I am going to emit the response event triggering. Okay, see, some data received, data received. It means all our application, wherever we have assigned some set of actions for particular event, like response request, HTTP request, at server concept and all comes under this emitting app. Okay, response, wherever we define this functionality, some functionalities for response event that will get executed. We can do this with some arguments also. Like we can pass the argument also. Now I have given in same file, so we can include in separate file and we can put in separate file and we can include. If we emit the event, automatically it will get triggered. Got it? Okay. Now I'm going to pass some argument also. What I'm doing, um, I'm going to add one more action for the response event. Okay. Here I'm going to give ID command name. Mm, right. Okay. Here I'm going to Here I'm going to give some arguments like 0, comma 35. Sorry, like 100. Hmm. Okay, name. Sorry. Actually, yes. Zero. What is his name? 44 is Jesse number. The name is Vero. Now I'm going to trigger the event of response. Okay. Mm. Actually, we have not consoled it. We will do now. Okay. We will console the both. Um, params received. Params received. Okay. I want to declare the variable name and ID. We will print here. ID. Just I'll check now. Syntax error. Okay, no issue. And we received Chelsea 44 and name bracket inside the arrow. Name is Vero. That name will comes in the variable name. Okay. Yes, right. Param received jersey 44 name is Vero. That's it. This is this is events emitter. Okay. Actually, Node.js is a JavaScript is a complete event-driven program, like mouse clicking, mouse over, everything is event. So it is a event-driven programming. Node.js is completely handling of events. Okay, backend. Now I give you some real-time example. I show you already what we are using that one. For example, server creation is there, no? Server creation. That one you will be having that. See, I tell you. We will put on and we will register some set of action for request event. Like what I have given response. Like that request we have given and handling those request all the requests. Whenever it is triggering emitting request, some set of action will be happening. Okay, actually that one will write better. Okay, separator and all is there. We'll do one more coding for that. I think it's not necessary. Already we are having. Okay, maybe right now. Okay, now we will see the one more example. Okay, like what connection.js. Okay, here I tell you the functionality of emitter emitter of request emission emit of request is a event. So whenever it is emitting the request, some predefined action is performing. Okay, for example, const http equal to require of server. Okay, require of http, right? Then const server equal to http dot create server http of create server. We import the http module, and it all the properties of this will come to here. Then what we do, we are going to create instance for this HTTP. That's mean inside this modules we have lot of set of properties. In one of that is create server. Okay. Now we will add a method on for request. Okay. Like server dot on. Okay. What is the event we are going to use? Request. Then some arguments we are giving. Can you see argument also? No? So request. Okay. We will continue the example. Um, Method with arguments. Okay, this is even these are the arguments. We will give some function inside that. So dot, just we are ending here. Then this is the example. Already on port we are listening, so we no need to run now. Server dot listen of 5000 port. Okay, see here what we have done. We have add method on for event request. Okay, whenever this event request is emitting, it will run some set of actions what we have given inside that. This is some background it's running this emitting process. Okay, this is the event driven program some concept emitting. Okay, now throughout the application, wherever you have registered some particular event with some actions, whenever it is emitting, all will get executed simultaneously one by one. Okay, this is event emitter.